Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Zilliqa. After breaking out a big falling wedge pattern, now recently on the smaller time frame chart, Zilliqa has broken down the support of this rising wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for Zilliqa that I shared a few days back on 21st of January with my members, almost 11 or 10 days ago. That was a harmonic bullish reversal, regardless setup that Zilliqa formed with Bitcoin pair on the 4-hour time frame chart. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line reversed very well from this buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. That was, by the way, more than 26% pump. Sorry, a 16% pump, not the 26. And before that, I also shared another harmonic bullish reversal, regardless setup that Zilliqa formed with Bitcoin pair on the 4-hour time frame chart. And after playing this chart, we can see this time this was a very, very powerful pump. This was, by the way, more than 400% pump within next few days. You can see it pumped very well from the buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And by the way, I shared this idea in the month of March 2022. Now, let me to take you to the weekly time frame chart first. And here, previously, we have been following this previous falling wedge pattern back in 2021 to 2022. And I've been telling you in those days that once it will be able to break out this resistance, then we can expect a powerful pump. And our target was here at 23 cents. And you can see uh, here after hitting this resistance of 23 cents, it again moved down. And now it was following this next resistance that is also connected with the previous resistance of the wedge, and now it is a bigger wedge. And now the price line, after breaking out this resistance of the wedge, is struggling to break out the next resistance, the key resistance of 2.9 cents. For the past 2 or 3 weeks, it is not able to break it out. And previously, you can see this level has been breaking as a resistance here, here, support here, resistance, support, and support here and support here as well. Therefore, we have this level working as a very strong support and resistance levels even in the previous history. Therefore, again, it is working as a strong resistance for the price line. Therefore, we need to break out this resistance level as soon as possible. Now, let's watch this 4-hour time frame chart. And here, recently, Zilliqa has broken down the support of this rising wedge pattern, but you can see that the price line is still getting accumulated below this support. And now this level is working as a resistance. You can see for the past several hours, the price line is struggling to break out this level as a resistance and re-enter the same wedge. And another reason that is not letting the price line to move more down from here is the support of this bigger falling wedge pattern. You can see that the price line is getting accumulated between this support of the previous, because it is now working, this trend line is now working as a support. Previously, it was working as a resistance of the wedge and this resistance of the rising wedge pattern on the smaller time frame chart. And at the same time, Zilliqa has also found another downtrend line support. You can see we had a bounce here, we had another bounce here, we had another bounce here, another bounce here. And this is also a formation of a broadening wedge at the same time. Now, for example, if the price line moves more up from here, then it can set another higher than previous high, like after getting bounced from the support, it is forming higher than previous high. Same as like that, after getting bounced again, it can form another higher than previous high. And now if we take a look at the target, for example, if the price line re-enters the same wedge, this wedge, and breaks it out, then our target after the breakout from this rising wedge pattern on this 4-hour time frame chart can be here. That is approximately at 3.9 cents to 4 cents. And the bigger target for this bigger falling wedge pattern after this huge breakout is here at the top of the wedge. That is from approximately 23 cents to 25 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.